next important question. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is at -2, -1 with latus rectum joining the points -2, 2 and -2, -4. So here it will find the length, find the equation of the parabolas, okay, whose focus is at the given point and the latus joining of the latus rectum is -2, 2 and -2, 4. Now, since axis is parallel to x axis, because it is -2, 2 and -2, 4. Since axis is parallel to x axis, the equation of the two parabolas will be of the form y minus beta whole square is equal to plus minus 4a x minus alpha whole square. Is it clear? Now, using distance formula, for length of latus rectum, (4a) is equal to 6. Length of the latus rectum we are getting 4a is equal to 6. Okay. Now, since -2, 2 and -2, -4 lies on the parabolas, therefore, let this be equation 1. Therefore, we can write it 2 minus beta whole square is equal to 6 plus minus 6 with, it was with the point 2 and -2, with -2 minus alpha, and next point is -2 and -4. So, -4 minus beta whole square is equal to plus minus 6 -2 minus alpha. Let this be equation 3. Now, solving simultaneously equation 2 and 3, we get alpha beta as 1/2 and -1 and -7/2 and negative of 1. Now, substituting values of alpha beta in equation 1, we get y plus 1 whole square is equal to 6 x plus 1/2 and y plus 1 whole square is equal to 6 x minus x plus 7 by 2. These two are the equations. Hence, required equations are y square plus 2y minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 and y square plus 2y minus 6x minus 20 is equal to 0 answer. And now one more thing, what type of a figure we will be having? So for whole of the questions we can have figure. One parabola can be like this and another parabola. Okay, let me draw this side. So one parabola, if one is like this, then another will be, and this is the point of intersection, then second can be like this. This is the Latus rectum. So one and another like this. Is it clear? So this will be the figure. Don't think exactly that the figure will be of the same type. This distance will be same. No, this is wrong. For this question, this is the right figure.